Have you ever wondered what secret ingredient helps your golf ball soar perfectly through the air and then gently settle near your target, almost like magic? Well, that magical ingredient is golf club Loft, and it directly influences how much backspin your shot generates, which in turn controls both the height your ball reaches and how far it travels. Think of Loft as the angle of your club face that, at impact, determines how much the ball launches upwards rather than purely forwards. When your club face strikes the ball, this specific angle creates a vital friction point, causing the ball to rotate backward rapidly as it leaves the club face. This backward rotation is what we call backspin, and it is absolutely essential for controlling your golf shots. For instance, a higher loft, like what you find on a pitching wedge or a sand wedge, means the ball will launch with a steeper upward trajectory and generate significantly more backspin. This high spin is fantastic for making the ball stop quickly and precisely on the green, preventing it from rolling too far past your target. Conversely, a lower loft, typically found in your driver or longer irons, launches the ball on a flatter, more penetrating trajectory with less backspin. This allows the ball to roll out further after landing, maximizing your distance off the tee or on long fairway shots. The right amount of backspin is crucial because it creates aerodynamic lift, helping the ball stay airborne longer and giving you better control upon landing. Too little backspin can cause the ball to balloon upwards and then drop quickly, or to just fall out of the sky too soon without adequate carry. And surprisingly, too much backspin, especially with a driver, can actually reduce your overall distance by making the ball climb too high instead of penetrating through the air. Understanding this relationship between loft and spin is incredibly empowering, as it helps you choose the perfect club for almost any situation you encounter on the course. For those moments when you absolutely need the ball to land softly and stop quickly on the green, you will instinctively reach for a higher lofted club like a gap wedge or a lob wedge, knowing it will provide that maximum spin. When you are standing on the tee and aiming for maximum distance, you will select a driver with a loft that is optimized for your unique swing speed. For many women golfers, this sweet spot is often between 9.5 and 12 degrees of loft on their driver, as it balances launch angle and spin rate for optimal carry and roll. Consider practicing with different lofts to see how they impact your ball flight and consistency, especially with your scoring clubs around the green. It is fascinating to learn that golf club manufacturers put immense thought into what is called progressive loft throughout a set of clubs. This means the loft gradually increases from your longest club, like your driver, all the way to your shortest club, such as your pitching or sand wedges. This thoughtful progressive design ensures there is a consistent and predictable distance gap between each of your clubs, allowing you to confidently cover all the necessary shot distances on the course. Another interesting term is spin loft, which refers to the precise difference between the dynamic loft of your club at the exact moment of impact and your angle of attack as the club approaches the ball. Optimizing your spin loft is actually what truly unlocks maximum distance and exceptional control, as it directly dictates the efficiency of energy transfer from the club face to the golf ball. It is a nuanced aspect that advanced players and club fitters often focus on. By truly appreciating how golf club loft translates into essential backspin, you gain a significant advantage in making smarter club choices for every single shot. This knowledge empowers you to better anticipate exactly how your ball will fly, how it will react upon landing, and ultimately gives you greater control over your game. Embrace this understanding, and you will not only improve your consistency, but also gain the confidence to hit those beautiful, controlled shots that land right where you want them.